Welcome to this video on Overview of Techniques in Business Analysis. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the significance of using techniques in business analysis, identify key areas of techniques in business analysis, demonstrate the application of important techniques within each key area of business analysis. Imagine you are a part of a tech startup that launched a financial planning tool for small businesses. Initially, things went well. But now customers are bothered by missing features, slow customer support, and unclear market positioning. What do you do next? This is where business analysis techniques come into play. These techniques will guide you in prioritizing the right product improvements, boosting customer support, and refining your market positioning. Understanding business analysis is essential for any successful organization. These techniques enable you to identify needs, define solutions, and optimize processes effectively. By mastering them, you can make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and achieve your strategic goals, ultimately enhancing your business performance. Mastering business analysis involves a diverse set of techniques, each crucial for different aspects of the process. There are many business analysis techniques, which can be broadly categorized into 7 key areas: elicitation techniques, modeling techniques, analytical techniques, decision-making techniques, validation and testing techniques, documentation techniques, and agile and lean techniques. Each plays a vital role in effective business analysis. Let's discuss each of these in detail. The techniques during the elicitation phase are used to gather detailed requirements and understand stakeholders' perspectives. The first technique is CATWO, representing customers, actors, transformation process, Weltanschauung, or worldview, owner, and environmental constraints. Customers benefit or are impacted by the outcome. Actors are involved in the process. The transformation process explains what's being changed. Weltanschauung provides the big picture perspective, making the solution meaningful. The owner has the authority to implement changes, and environmental constraints refer to external factors influencing the outcome. Another important technique is document analysis, which involves reviewing existing documentation like business process documents, reports, and system specifications to gain insights into current processes and requirements. Once requirements are gathered, modeling techniques are essential for visualizing and understanding complex business processes, systems, and data. These techniques include Business Process Modeling Notation, or BPMN, a standardized method for creating visual representations of business processes. It utilizes flowchart symbols to depict sequences of activities, decision points, and information flows, ensuring that all stakeholders can grasp the process comprehensively. Entity Relationship Diagrams, or ERDs, are used to model data and relationships within a system. ERDs illustrate entities, such as customers or orders, and the relationships between them, aiding in effective database design and ensuring a clear understanding of data interactions. With models in place, analytical techniques become crucial for data evaluation and decision-making. SWOT analysis stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It evaluates a business or project by identifying internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities and threats. This comprehensive evaluation helps understand the strategic position and potential challenges. Complementing this, PESTEL analysis examines external, macro-environmental factors, including political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental elements that may impact the business or project. Additionally, gap analysis compares the current state with the desired future state to pinpoint gaps that need resolution. This also defines project scope and objectives, ensuring alignment with the desired outcomes. Effective decision-making is critical in business analysis for prioritizing actions and evaluating options. Decision trees model decisions and their potential consequences, aiding in the evaluation of different options and the selection of the most favorable one. Multi-criteria decision analysis, or MCDA, evaluates multiple options based on various criteria by assigning weights and scoring each option to determine the best choice. Moscow prioritization, must have, should have, could have, won't have, helps in prioritizing requirements based on their importance, managing scope and addressing critical requirements first. Another useful technique is 6 thinking hats, which explores different perspectives on a problem. This method involves white hat, focusing on facts and data, red hat, for intuition and emotion, green hat, encouraging creativity and new ideas, yellow hat, focusing on positives and benefits, black hat, covering negative aspects and potential risks, and blue hat, managing the thinking process. To ensure that solutions meet business requirements and deliver value, validation and testing techniques are crucial. User acceptance testing, or UAT, involves end users testing the solution in a real-world environment to confirm that it meets their needs. Their feedback is used to make final adjustments before deployment. Prototyping helps validate design concepts and gather stakeholder feedback, refining solutions before full development. Traceability metrics track the relationships between requirements, design, and testing, ensuring all requirements are covered by test cases and reflecting any changes throughout the project. Further, thorough documentation is essential for recording requirements, decisions, and processes. The Business Requirements Document, or BRD, outlines the business needs and high-level requirements, serving as a contract between stakeholders and the project team. The Functional Specification Document, or FSD, details the specific functionalities and features needed, providing a clear guide for development. Use case documentation describes interactions between users and the system, outlining steps to achieve specific goals, and ensures that all aspects of the system's functionality are captured and understood. Finally, in environments requiring flexibility and rapid adaptation, Agile and Lean methodologies are increasingly valuable. Scrum is an agile framework that emphasizes iterative development, regular feedback, and continuous improvement. Business analysts work closely with development teams and stakeholders to clarify and prioritize requirements. Kanban is a lean methodology that visualizes work, manages flow, and limits work in progress, using Kanban boards to track tasks and ensure smooth progress. Lastly, lean business analysis focuses on delivering value by eliminating waste and improving processes, employing techniques like value stream mapping to identify inefficiencies and optimize workflows. In this video, you learn that business analysis techniques are crucial for identifying needs, defining solutions, and optimizing processes to enhance business performance. These techniques can be broadly divided into several key areas. Elicitation techniques gather detailed requirements by considering various stakeholder perspectives. Modeling techniques help visualize complex business processes and data relationships. Analytical techniques evaluate internal and external factors to inform strategic decisions. Decision-making techniques assist in selecting and prioritizing actions. Validation and testing techniques ensure that solutions meet business needs. Documentation techniques record essential requirements and processes. And finally, Agile and Lean techniques enable flexibility and continuous improvement.